Laser cleaning of varnish has always been a challenge. Prior to this, our engineers tried various methods. UV cleaning is highly effective, but it is too slow. Through the tireless efforts of the R&D team, it was born. It's all about the optics and control now. It can actually clean varnish. We conducted a comparative test of wood varnish removal using two different pieces of equipment. As you can see, the wood cleaning machine is peeling away the varnish layer by layer, revealing the wood. However, ordinary equipment is unable to achieve effective removal. Therefore, standard equipment fails to clean off the varnish. Let's speed up the playback. The difference in results is very obvious. We are continuing to test the cleaning effectiveness. The varnish on the wooden chair is easily removed by it. Moreover, the wood was not scorched. Let's fast forward a bit. If any adhesive residue remains on the surface, simply blow it clean using compressed air. This is a comparison of the area before and after cleaning. Let's continue cleaning it. This is a before and after comparison image. We continued the cleaning test. Use compressed gas to remove surface residue. These are before and after photos of the cleaning process. Next, the workpiece that is the most difficult to clean. It has 2 layers of coating, 1 layer of paint and 1 layer of filler. Therefore, the cleaning efficiency is relatively low. These are before and after photos of the cleaning process. This is the complete comparison. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.